Hello guys, hope doing well. This is my frequency counter, 22 megahertz. Going to project this one, HEF4018 CD4018. This is my first sine wave generator project. This is meter 7.80 volt, and here is the schematic. It is a little bit hard for this side to make it, but go ahead and make it, it will work. Here is the component that need, and this one is the description for the sine wave generator. CD4018, very powerful IC. As you can see, we have very nice sine wave. It is not connected to the spectrum because of I don't have the scope with me, but you can see the frequency counter, and also the voltage is very nice for the output, 7.8 volt. Thanks for watching. Sine wave generator 4018. Goodbye.